Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about how to cut the inside of an item out before the laser cuts the outside, and why this is important. I made this washer rather large, but if it was real small and it cut the outside first, and if your vector bed wasn't perfectly flat and this dips down to one side or the other, it's not going to cut a perfectly round circle, and it might be out of focus. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you two different ways. And the reason I have the word epilogue up there is because I'm going to show how you can do it inside of their print job manager. So I'm just going to delete the text for just a second. I'm even going to delete the video. And we've got the word text here. And I'm going to go Control K and break the text apart. Control K and break the text apart. And Control K and break the text apart. Then I'm going to take them all and I'm going to convert them to a curve. Then I'm going to take these letters and I'm going to break the curve apart. So I'm taking the letters that it could possibly cut out. So there's two ways to do this if you were going to print this job. One way, and probably the fastest way, would be to just take the three shapes and hold down your shift tool, the shift button, and when you go to print, just hit selection and cut those out. Just cut them out now. But then you'd have to go back and run the job. So let's try something else. Let's go up to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and open Object Manager. Let's turn these colors to blue. All our inside parts are going to be now blue. Whoop. I needed a left click on the item. So I'm turning all my inside parts blue. Now, what we can do in the job manager or in the object manager is move this blue curve all the way to the bottom. And move this one all the way to the bottom. And move this one all the way to the bottom. Then you could cut out this entire job. The job manager, the cutting order is going to be from the bottom up. So it's going to cut these three blue ones out, and then it's going to go cut all the red curves. So that's one way. Now, if you own an epilogue, there's some old print drivers that you could do that in, but on the newer, newer versions of the print driver, I think they take that away and they put it into the job manager. So if you have an epilogue, stay tuned for the next video. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.